Hello, agents. Hello, everyone. So I just want to get on today. It's December 22nd, 2023. The 10 years plummeting 3.9. So we'll get into that in a second. But I just want to wish everyone happy holiday, Merry Christmas, going into the new year here, 2024. Hope everything's going well for you all. And it's nice to have a weekend with the holiday weekend coming up. But I wanted to talk about interest rates real quick. And if you have anything on the fence, agents, maybe it's time to look at inking those apps as interest rates are falling pretty substantially. So let's take a look at the year in review. The 10-year treasury is a good place to go if you ever want to kind of know where interest rates are going with annuities, kind of an indicator. And you can kind of see, hey, if this thing is down a whole bunch, maybe interest rates will drop for the month. And as you can see, we started the year at 3.79. As we cruised through the year, it stayed in the mid threes to the 4% range. In July, we got into the fours here. Of course, inverted the whole time with the short term higher than the long term. So that's why you had the high 3 and 5 year MIGAs and the 1 year MIGA created again. All that good stuff is because of this inverted yield and why we didn't have very good 10-year rates and 5-year rates were better. And as you go on, you see we stayed in the fours. We topped out here in October 12th at right around, October 18th at about 4.98 right there. So that was our high on the 10-year. And the insurance companies responded with good MIGA rates all through November. Probably one of the best times to buy a MIGA in a very long time, or indexed annuity for that. And SPIA, all three were really great in November. And then as you see, we ending yesterday at 389. So you're talking about 498 to 389. So that's over a full percentage point down. So if interest rates responded correctly, 5s would become 4s, 6s become 5s. And sometimes the companies use these Moody's, and those has also been reducing. These Moody corporate bonds, as you can see here, they were higher in October than they are in November. So we're seeing indicators of the interest rates declining. And this is the type of thing I'll receive occasionally. Hey, interest rates are dropping, Jeff, 50 to 75 basis points. Be aware. That's kind of my pre-notification notification. Like, here's what's going on at the company. Here's what they're seeing rates are doing. So that's where we're at right now. Take a look. So that 10-year seems to be holding. It doesn't seem to be completely dropping, crazy dropping, like it did many days, 11 basis points, 12, 2-3% a day. Now it seems to be 1 or 2, kind of balancing out, like it's fighting, something's fighting it from going up, even though it really wants to. That's at least my indicator. But then again, interest rates, the government's talking about them going down. So this might be pre-pricing it. Who knows? Let's just hope for next year we have a little less volatility and more stability. That would be nice to see in either case. That would be great. Anyway, yeah, that's it. I just wanted to get on, wish you all Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday, whatever. For the most up-to-date information, be sure to follow me on LinkedIn and YouTube, of course, as you're watching. 800-373 for the most. If you have any questions, want anything done, if you have any last-minute needs for those annuities, remember 590 right now. That's probably ending next week. Many rate drops on the 26th, 27th. So yeah, any questions, 800-373. Give me a call. Remember, no fees, just insurance guarantees. And we'll see you next week. So much to talk about, but the volatility and everything moving makes it hard for me to I build something out and then it changes and it becomes irrelevant very quickly. So, okay, anyway, talk to you all soon. Have a good one. Bye-bye.